Balikan lang natin konti para yung viewers natin, they'll remember history. Tumakbo si Attorney Guanzon bilang party list representative of the P3PWD party list.
Substitute, ma'am.
Oo, substitute ka.
Kasi
So-
the first nominee already took her oath, but her daughter had stage 4 cancer. So she said that I cannot assume office. I'm in the hospital almost
Oo.
every day.
Pero hindi ka pinaupo
Ni
noong
Martin.
2022. By 2024, the Supreme Court declared your substitution
Invalid.
as a nominee invalid
Yes.
and illegal. Pero you could have sat for 2 years.
Yeah, I could have sat if Martin allowed me. Di ba? Kasi I received an invitation. Saan ka makakita sa bayang ito? You'll receive an invitation from the House of Representatives na may SONA, di ba? And you are expected to take your ceremonial oath there. That's why I'm questioning that rule now in the Supreme Court. Bakit nanalo ka na, na-proclaim ka na ng COMELEC, nag-oath ka na sa huwes, hindi ka pa rin congresswoman when the Constitution says that your term begins on June 30?
Hindi ba personal ang galit nyo kay Speaker Romualdez kapag binabatikos nyo siya sa pagnanakaw, etc. Iisipin ng ilan, personal yung galit ni Attorney Guanzon.
Hindi naman yan personal eh. Kasi alam nyo, wala naman ako, palagay nyo, namulubi ako dahil hindi ako nakasweldo. Hindi naman yung personal eh. Ang ano ko doon is yung principles of the rule of law. Abogado ako eh. Professor pa ako ng law sa UP College of Law eh. Ha? May Harvard degree pa ako. Tapos ganito lang gawin niya sa amin. Eh kung magawa niya ito kay Rowena Guanzon, magawa niya ito kahit sino. Diba? And he did. 3 more congressmen. Ang hindi niya pinaupo.
3 more?
Oh, wala namang TRO sa akin ah. Nag-file yung Cardemet remember, that was our first topic here.
Duterte Youth Party
Yes,
List.
that
Oo.
I disqualified him because he's overage, di ba? Oh. And nanalo naman ako unanimous what do you call in the COMELEC. He used that against me na may Supreme Court case daw. Eh on June 30, kailan ba sila nag-oath taking? July na, di ba? The Constitution says your term begins on June 30. Siya, July na siya nag-speaker, di ba? In between, sino ang speaker? Bakit ako ni Secretary General Mendoza pinatawagan sa kanyang deputy legal na pasensya na kayo, ma'am, na you cannot be in the ano? So, dalawa lang choices ko and I consulted a great lawyer. Shall I do this? That they have to bodily